Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Take Review. So today I have BoultAudio Twinpods with me for the review. So let's do it. So as its tagline suggests, unplug yourself. Well, it's very nice. So let's unbox the product first. So I'm just opening a product and it has a lot of things in it, and it's BoultAudio Twinpods device. Well, it's a metallic box for the charging of the twin pods which is inside the box. So let's open it up. So it's the two twin pods which is black in color, and I really like it. So we have another micro USB cable for the charging of the box, and extra earbuds as well, so that if the earbuds get dirty we can replace them with the new earbuds. So let's have a close up of the product. Well, it's a very nice product as it's a wireless Bluetooth earphones, and the battery lasts around 3 days, I think, for 4 to 5 hours usage, and available in two colors, green and black. So I can match them with my outfit as well, and they are available on Myntra and Amazon as well, and the price is also, I think, very reasonable, around 24.99. And they are useful while driving or while doing some work. Like, you don't need to put wires and all the things, just you need to put the earphones in your ear and just go with it. So well, it's a very nice product and useful product. So I hope you like the video. So like, comment and subscribe it.